Hello Leo! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements to get the most of your reading. Maraming salamat sa iyo Leo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please tap the bell for notification. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Leo, please, on love and romance. Leo. Okay. Right path. Love is a beautiful journey and you're on the right path. Okay. That's one for you. Love is a beautiful journey. You are on the right path. You are on the right relationship, okay, for some of you. Butterfly, you will meet a new love interest at a party or a night out, okay? Get ready, Leo, for some of you. Makikilala mo ang bagong person, okay? A new person will enter your life, okay? Romance, romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them, okay? Hide away. Make time to be with your person. Create your own special hideaway. Okay. So, make time to be with your person. Okay. So, give importance to your connection. Protect them. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga surprises, romantic gestures. Okay. From the person na gustong-gusto ka. Okay? Or you will be doing this to the other person, Leo. Okay? Tingnan natin kung anong messages from the tarot for Leo. Leo. Messages and energies for Leo, please, on love and romance. Leo. Okay. 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 So, Leo, yeah. Parang ang dami rin na pinagdadaanan ang inyong person, parang naguguluhan siya sa situation or hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin, okay? You are determined. to have a connection with him or her. Okay? Yeah, but your person is cautious sa kanyang mga galaw. Parang nag-hold back ng kanyang energy or attention or kanyang nararamdaman. But you know that meron kang gustong sabihin or gagawin. You are very attracted to this person, Leo. Okay? But yung person ninyo, yeah, he or she needs clarity in mind. Clarity of mind. Okay? Parang ang dami siyang iniisip. Yeah, definitely gusto niya rin magkaroon ng solusyon or clarity in your situation. Siguro mahirap, okay, or komplikado ang inyong sitwasyon. That's why your person is 10 of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You put your person in a difficult situation, Leo. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano tong Two of Swords. Yeah, your person is unable to decide whether to give you attention or not. Kasi cautious siya. Okay. Two of Swords, cautious, or parang ayaw niya, nag-hold back siya. Okay? Parang nag-hold back siya na pansinin ka or bigyan ka ng attention. Two of Swords. Bakit Two of Swords? Two of Swords. Two of Wands. Yeah. Hindi alam ng person mo kung anong gagawin sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Okay? Malayo ang tingin. Okay? Nag-iisip siya ng mga plans. Okay. Plans for both of you or kung ano yung gagawin sa sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, it seems that your person, gusto ka rin ng person na to, okay? Pero medyo naguguluhan lang siya sa sitwasyon niya. The situation may be complicated because of 10 of Swords. So, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. But at the same time, parang hopeful din siya sa situation. Okay? Na magkaroon ng improvement. Okay? Ang inyong connection. Yeah. Gusto ka rin ng person na to, Leo. Ano tong 10 of Swords? Yeah, 6 of Cups. Yeah, parang yung person na to, yung person mo, parang nahihirapan din siya na maging close sa inyo. Because the situation is complicated. Okay? Complicated. Parang mahirap ang sitwasyon to move forward. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but the person, both of you, nilulook forward ninyo ang isa't isa. Okay. Leo. Yeah, your person is also controlling herself or himself. Yeah. Parang wala ding no action from your person. He or she is controlling the emotion or yung excitement about you. Because meron din siyang issues para sa sarili niya. Parang problema yung situation or complicated. Okay. Yeah, parang nahirapan na rin yung person ninyo sa inyo. Leo, okay. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Okay. Yeah. Justice, Four of Pentacles. Yeah. There is a question of right and wrong. That's why that's why yung tao na to, yung person na to, Leo, hindi niya alam kung magbibigay sa inyo ng time or attention. He or she is concerned about righteousness or justice. Okay? That is the High Priestess. Bakit may High Priestess? The Chariot. Okay. Same. Yeah. Meron ka din gustong i-express. Parang determined ka sa tao na to, Leo. Yeah. Gusto mo siyang puntahan. Okay, eager ka makipagkita or makipag-usap sa kanya, determinado ka to move forward with him or her. Yeah, pero hindi mo masabi, okay? For some of you, this is a secret. The Chariot. Bakit may Chariot? Yeah, Eight of Swords. So, may problema, no? Parang you don't have that freedom to do it. Okay? O kahit na determinado ka, gusto mo yung tao na to, pero hindi ka makatake ng action freely. Okay? Hey. Yeah, there must be a concern about righteousness because of the justice. That's why things are complicated. There is something that you want to express or to say, that you want this person but you cannot do it freely. Parang merong walls. Okay? You're thinking about this also. You don't have the confidence, Leo, to tell this to the person that you want. Okay, that is for some of you. Let's see the Three of Wands. Emperor. Okay, setting of boundaries. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are in a long distance relationship with this person. That's why no action na nangyayari physically. Okay? Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are in a committed relationship. Okay? Or in a legal relationship. I mean, you are in a relationship legally. Okay? Meaning, you are married or the person that you are dealing with is married. Okay? Yeah, and it needs, kailangan, kung ano man yung mga actions na gagawin, kailangan pag-isipan ng mabuti. Okay? It needs plans. Okay? Strategic plans for stability. Okay? And security. Kung ano man yung connection na to sa inyo, Leo. Yeah. So, may kailangan na isi-set ng boundary between the two of you. Okay, boundaries. What are we? Okay. Yeah, the person has a problem connecting with you or being close to you. Yeah. Your person wants to do the right thing. in the connection. Okay? Bakit may 7 of Cups for Leo? 7 of Cups for Leo. Knight of Swords. Okay. Be careful. Whatever actions, okay, yung gagawin ninyo, Leo. Yeah, for some of you, wag din padalos-dalos sa inyong sasabihin or sa inyong gagawin. Kailan pag-isipan ng mabuti. Be careful. Be wise at the same time. Okay. Most especially if there is something wrong or komplikado yung isang sitwasyon. May question about righteousness and values. Okay. Leo. Yeah. Okay. Mag-ingat sa mga gagawin or sa mga actions na gagawin niyo and even sa inyong sasabihin. Okay? Because the person right now that you are connecting with or dealing with, nahirapan din sa kanyang situation. Okay? Yeah. And he or she is looking away from this sa sitwasyon na to na nahirapan siya. Okay? Thinking about values, justice, doing what is right. Okay? For the greater good. Okay? Greater good, kung sino pa yung mga taong involved in the situation. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, so definitely nahirapan din ang inyong person, pero yeah. Pero parang wala rin siyang magawa sa situation because of the Two of Wands. Okay. Gusto ka din ng person na to, merong excitement between the two of you. That's why your person is also conflicted. Parang nahirapan din siya, apektado din siya, Leo. Okay? Let's see. Hidden messages from your person. Hidden truths. Hidden truths from your person. Okay. Let's get one. So many things remind me of you. Okay. It is time for me to heal now. You came closer than anyone. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay. And I'm so attracted to you. Yeah. So attracted din ang person ninyo sa inyo. You came closer than anyone. Okay. Yeah. So your person mo, many things remind me of you. May mga naalala siya. Things remind me of you. Because of you, it's time for me. So, nasa healing stage din at the same time. Or kailangan niya mag-heal from his or her past experience. Okay, you came closer than anyone. Alright. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Leo, maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!